Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is bacon wrapped chicken with sage and onion stuffing. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. First, let's make the stuffing. Simply melt the butter in a heavy base pan, add the chopped onions and saute off until they start to soften. Then while the onions are cooking, finely chop the sage leaves, then add to the onions with salt and pepper to taste. Then thoroughly mix through, remove from the heat and allow it to cool partially. Then when the onions are partially cooled down, add them to a suitably sized mixing bowl, add the breadcrumbs and thoroughly mix together. Next, beat one egg in a small bowl and add to the breadcrumb mixture a bit at a time until the right consistency is achieved. Then when this is done, allow it to cool completely and that's the stuffing made. Next is on with the chicken. To prepare the chicken, simply place each chicken breast between two pieces of cling film and using a meat mallet bash until it's about ½ inch thick. My wife enjoys this bit far too much. Then when your wife's mullered all the chicken breasts, it's time to move on to the next stage. Using the back of a knife, stretch the streaky bacon so it doesn't shrink so much when it's cooking and lay on a suitably sized chopping board. If you cover the chopping board with cling film first, it'll help with the rolling procedure. Then lay the chicken on top of the bacon, leaving a nice overlap at one end. Then it's time to add the stuffing. Simply put a generous layer over the top of the chicken. And you should have something that looks like this. And using the cling film to help you, simply roll up the bacon and chicken to the overlap end, as you see here. And I'm assured if you take your time, it's not as difficult as it looks. Then continue to use the cling film to form a nice tight sausage shape. This procedure can be done with one chicken breast at a time if you want, so we'll show you how to do that one next. Hope you're watching carefully because my wife said she's only going to do this once because her tea's getting cold. Are you going to tell her she forgot to put the cling film on the chopping board? She'll find out when she comes to roll it anyway, because I'm not telling her. When all the chicken is rolled and formed into sausage shapes, it's time to refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Then when you're ready to cook, simply remove from the fridge, remove the cling film, place in a suitably sized oven-proof dish, and it's off to a preheated 180°C oven for 75 minutes or until an internal temperature of 82°C is reached. There you have it, bacon wrapped chicken with sage and onion stuffing. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.